Plural as an es. What is plural? Plural is the grammatical term used to describe a form of a word that typically refers to more than one person, thing, or concept. In English, the additions of as or es to a word typically indicates pluralizations or conjugations depending on whether the word is a noun or a verb. For example, one cat becomes two cats. The plural noun, most nouns from their plural by adding as to the singular form. Nouns ending in as, x, z, c, ch, or sh. Nouns ending in these letters usually form their plurals by adding es. For example, box becomes boxes.